If you're building AI automations for your business, the question isn't if you should automate, it's what stack you should bet on. Today, we're putting Zapier, Make, and n8n head-to-head specifically for AI workflows. By the end of this video, you'll know which platform fits your skills, your budget, your data requirements, and how to combine them into a future-proof automation stack. AI models are getting cheaper and more capable, but your time and your team are not. The real leverage comes when you turn AI from a shiny toy into repeatable, automated workflows, summarizing customer emails, qualifying leads, drafting replies, generating reports, and even running entire back-office processes on Autopilot. Your choice of automation platform decides how fast you can experiment, ship, and scale those AI workflows. In this video, we'll focus on 3 platforms that dominate the AI automation conversation right now. Zapier, the classic automation for everyone tool, with a huge integration ecosystem and new AI products like Chatbots, agents, and Copilot. Make, a visual, scenario-based platform that lets you build complex workflows and now even AI agents on a drag-and-drop canvas. And n8n, a source-available, self-hostable powerhouse that's loved by developers and privacy-conscious teams, especially for local and self-hosted AI stacks. Before we compare platforms, let's align on what an AI workflow actually is. Most AI workflows follow the same pattern. You ingest data from forms, emails, your CRM, or webhooks. You process it with AI to summarize, classify, extract fields, or generate content. Then you act on the result by updating records, sending messages, creating tasks, or triggering another process. The better your platform at connecting tools, orchestrating AI steps, and handling errors, the more value you'll get from every model call. Let's start with Zapier. Zapier's superpower is its ecosystem and simplicity. It connects thousands of SaaS tools and now offers one of the largest AI integration collections on the market. It's designed so that non-technical team members can build automations without waiting for engineering. The trade-offs are clear. Pricing is based on tasks, so heavy AI usage or high-volume workflows can get expensive. Deep, low-level customization is still more limited than in Make or n8n. And there's no self-hosting. It's fully cloud-based. For AI specifically, Zapier has leveled up a lot. You can add AI actions inside your Zaps, delegate tasks to AI agents that operate across your tools, and build AI chatbots that not only answer questions, but also trigger workflows. All this is supported by an AI Copilot builder that helps you set things up. Zapier's sweet spot is plugging AI into mainstream SaaS. Qualify leads in your CRM, summarize tickets in your help desk, draft human-like email replies, or enrich deals with AI-generated notes, fast with minimal configuration. Make takes a more visual, power user approach. You build scenarios on a canvas, connecting modules, branches, and routers. It's extremely good at complex workflows with many steps, conditional paths, and data transformations. It can also be more cost-effective than Zapier when you run high-volume operations. The downsides are the higher learning curve and the need for solid structure. Large scenarios can become messy if you don't enforce good naming and modular design. And while some components can be self-hosted, most teams use Make as a cloud platform. Make shines when you're orchestrating multi-step AI pipelines. You can chain OpenAI, other models, and traditional SaaS tools in one visual flow. For example, ingest data, run multiple AI prompts in parallel, merge the results, and push them into your data warehouse or CRM. In 2025, Make also introduced AI agents in open beta. That means you can build autonomous agents that interact with your workflows and use Make's integration library as a toolbelt. It's attractive if you want to experiment with agents without writing your own agent framework from scratch. n8n sits on the other end of the spectrum. It's a source-available, self-hostable automation platform that you can run with Docker and connect to local models. You can wire it into your own infrastructure. It's incredibly flexible because you can extend it with custom code, nodes, and integrations. That's why it's popular with technical teams and home lab enthusiasts. But you do take on the responsibility of hosting, security, and maintenance, scaling and securing it. For non-technical users, n8n feels less friendly than Zapier or Make, especially at the beginning. For AI workflows, n8n is ideal when data control and flexibility are non-negotiable. You can run everything locally, from your language model and vector database to the automation layer itself. That's powerful for regulated industries, internal tools, or teams that don't want to send data to third-party clouds. n8n integrates OpenAI and many other AI services and has thousands of community workflows you can clone and adapt, including full AI automation templates. If you're comfortable with Docker, APIs, and a bit of coding, it becomes an insanely flexible AI orchestration engine. Let's compare the platforms by ease of use and speed to first result. If you're a non-technical founder or operator, Zapier is usually the fastest way to go from idea to working automation. Make is still no code, but more demanding, amazing for power users who are willing to learn. n8n is the least beginner-friendly, but if you already write code or run servers, that complexity buys you a lot of control. On power and flexibility, especially around AI, the picture shifts. n8n gives you the most low-level control with custom code, self-hosted models, advanced writing, and deep integrations with your own stack. Make is close behind, with a very flexible visual engine and AI agents that can operate inside your scenarios. Zapier is catching up fast with chatbots, agents, and Copilot, plus a huge number of AI app integrations. But it still optimizes for simplicity over deep custom logic. Now let's look at pricing and scale at a high level. With Zapier, you pay per task. Many small automations are fine, but high-volume AI workflows can escalate costs quickly.
Make often works out cheaper for complex multi-step flows because of how it prices operations and bundles features. With n8n, the software itself can be very affordable or even free, and you pay mainly for infrastructure and your own time managing it.
That makes it great at scale if you have the skills. So which platform fits you? If you're a solopreneur, marketer, or operator who wants to ship AI automations without touching servers, start with Zapier. It's the quickest win and has all the mainstream tools you already use. If you're building an automation agency or internal automation team and you love mapping complex processes, Make is probably your best primary tool. If you're a technical team, an AI startup, or a privacy-sensitive organization, and you're okay with running infrastructure, n8n gives you the most control and long-term leverage. Here's the key mindset shift. It's a stack, not a religion. You don't need to be Team Zapier or Team n8n. Many advanced automation teams use two or even all three. You might use Zapier for quick, low-risk automations your team can self-serve. Make for big, cross-department scenarios where you need visibility and orchestration, and n8n for critical, sensitive workflows that must stay inside your infrastructure or connect tightly to your own microservices. Let me leave you with a simple action plan. Step 1. Choose your default platform based on your skills and constraints. Zapier, Make, or n8n. Step 2. Commit to building 3 to 5 AI workflows in the next 30 days. Think lead qualification, email summarization, customer support, or reporting. Step 3. Once you hit the limits of that tool, add a second platform strategically instead of randomly hopping. If you want more playbooks for building an AI-powered business autopilot, hit subscribe and let's keep shipping together.